Hey everybody, welcome to Mortgage Today for Friday, December 27th, 2024, and oh, what a day it was. UMBS opened up 4 basis points this morning. Not that any of this week's trading activity matters in the bigger picture, but things have been reasonably resilient after Monday's selling. Tuesday and Thursday saw more selling, but each day ended up with a solid recovery. Thursday was especially solid with help from the 7-year Treasury auction. In today's overnight session, European markets reopened after the Christmas holiday with a moderate spike in yields. This pulled U.S. yields higher, as is typically the case, but U.S. traders, all 3 to 4 of them that are in the office today, are pushing back in early trading. The yen touched the lowest level since July, boosting Asian stocks. Dollar heads to the best year since 2015. Treasury yields were steady. Bonds began the day in decent shape by pushing back against weakness during European hours. UMBS were briefly in just barely positive territory in the first hour. Things deteriorated very slowly, but very steadily after that. It took the entire trading session for UMBS to give up 1/8 of a point. 10-year yields 10-year Treasuries had it worse, with yields moving back near yesterday's morning's high. Chalk that up to ongoing curve steepening, fancy talk for 10-year yields rising faster than 2-year yields, and combine that notion with the fact that the average mortgage trades more like a 5-year Treasury these days. Modest volatility aside, volume and liquidity remained holiday low. Next week brings different risks, mainly due to the chance that some big traders will be able to reposition bond portfolios after 2024 is officially over. These could go either way. The bigger volatility risk won't show up until the delayed jobs report on January 10th. UMBS closed the day down 9 basis points at 98.47. As you can see, we are well below any technical, so it's hard to even make that matter. What does matter is the news we get next week. It is a pretty light week all in all. We do get some home price stuff on Tuesday, which won't move the bond market. They close early due to New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, but then we do get jobless claims, continuing claims, S&P Global Manufacturing PMI, inflation, and ISM Manufacturing PMI, inflation. If you have some time over the weekend, check out our common sources and influence particular sponsor at wellthatmakesense.com, as well as the others listed here. Thank you, and have a great weekend.